a video of my crazy uncle's bird. It's a parrot. You can say like "Hola." If you guys don't know what "Hola" means, it means hello in Spanish. Look, "Hola, hola." Just wait. Just wait. Hola. Did you hear that? I think it said hello. It also knows how to say hello. Did you guys just heard what it said? I have no idea what it said. Yeah, there's this food, there's sea crabs and poop and pee. Right there. I know this gross. Did he just say what I said? I think it did. So yay. I'm sorry this is a short video, and that's all about my carrot. So I sound like I said carrot, but I said parrot. Bye.